Good evening, students. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what we'll do is we'll go to the next section. Okay. Most of you might have seen in the physics class itself. Similarly, I just want to tell this thing again. So I'm trying to record the session with the clear audio. Okay. So what I will do is first I'll explain my part. Then I will click on this tab where you can see the discussion session part. At that point, we will have a discussion. Till then, what you can do is you can make a note of all the doubts that you have while I'm explaining. Okay. So I hope I'm clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to start the session. So before I start this, is there any doubt that you have from the previous topics that you want me to explain?
No, sir. No doubts.
Okay, very good. So let's get started with the first topic of the day. That is evaluation of definite integrals by substitution. Evaluation of definite integrals by substitution. So the previous class we saw what would have happened if you do definite integration to a normal function. So what did we do? Suppose you have integral of f of x dx from x1 to x2. I would have suggested you first do the normal integration with respect to that function, and then you substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit, right? So that's what we discussed. The previous section, we discussed several methods of finding the indefinite integral. One of the important methods for finding the indefinite integral was the method of substitution. If you observe, we would have by now found out that substitution is one of the powerful tools that is used to find the integral of any given function, right? When it is going to be integrals by substitution method for definite integrals, then how are we supposed to do, for which there are certain steps that are given. So to evaluate the integral of f of x between the given values a and b by substitution method, the steps that are to be followed are: first, you need to consider the integral without the limits, and then substitute y is equal to f of x or x is equal to g of y to reduce a given integral to some known form. That is the first step. Second is integrate the new integrand with respect to the new variable without mentioning the constant of integration. Third, resubstitute the new variable and write the answer in terms of the original variable. And the fourth one is find the values of the answer obtained in 3 at the given limits of integral and find the difference of the values of the upper and the lower limit. Okay. So this is one of the methods that they have proposed. Generally, I don't follow this method. The other way that you can solve is, in order to quicken this method, what we can do is we can proceed as follows. After performing step 1 and 2, you need not perform step number 3. Rather, what you can do is the integral will be kept in the new variable itself, and the limits of the integrals are there. No, that what you can do is you can change it according to the new variable itself and then perform the last step directly. So what I'm going to do is, first step is substitution. Second step is integration with respect to the new variable. And the intermediate step is, even before I proceed with the integration with respect to the new variable, I will change the limits of the given function with respect to the new variable, and then I will integrate and give you the answer. Okay. So let me solve a problem and show you. The example that we can consider is evaluate integral of -1 to 1 5x power 4 into root of x power 5 plus 1 dx. So integral of -1 to 1 5 into x power 4 into root of x power 5 plus 1 dx. If you observe, if you want to do it by parts, then what will happen is the square root will be a very big hindrance. So if you need to get rid of it, what we can think of is eliminate the square root. So x power 5 plus 1 itself can be treated as t. Then you will have 5 into x power 4 dx is equal to dt. Okay, let this be equation number 1. But what has happened here is minus 1 to 1 are the limits with respect to x. So if you observe, the integral will change like this. Integral of, in the place of 5x power 4 dx, I can write it as dt, and this I can write it as root t. So root t into dt, but what happens is, this minus 1 to 1 are there, right? They are the limits of x. They need to get shifted to t. So for that, what I will do is, observe. We know that t is equal to x power 5 plus 1, right? That is what they told. Integral will be kept as it is in the new variable, and the limits of the integral will accordingly be changed so that we can perform the last step. So t is equal to x power 5 plus 1. So when x is equal to minus 1, when you substitute it here, t will be equal to 0. That is when x is equal to minus 1, that is the lower limit. The lower limit corresponding to t will change to 0. Similarly, when x is equal to 1, which is the upper limit, t will be equal to 2. So what will happen to this question is, integral of minus 1 to 1 5x power 4 into root of x power 5 plus 1 dx will get changed like this. Integral of minus 1 with respect to x can be replaced with 0 in t, plus 1 with respect to x can be replaced with 2 in t, 5 into x power 4 dx can be written as dt, x power 5 plus 1 can be written as t, so it will be root t times dt. So the integral of this is going to be t power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, which will give you 2 by 3. Now if you substitute the limit 0 to 2, you will get 2 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 0 power 3 by 2. So you will get the answer as 2 power 5 by 2 divided by 3. So this is going to be the final answer with respect to this question that they have asked. Is it clear, guys?
So we
Yes.
don't need to add
Is that
c.
no need to, because you are doing indefinite. Sorry, definite. When you're doing definite integrals, what did I tell you? You will get the area made by the curve with respect to x-axis. So you will not add a constant. Okay, it's a number always. Got it? See, 2 power 5 by 2 is also same as 4 root 2. Okay, so don't get confused. I hope you guys are copying it. Right? So just give me a second. I'll pull all the questions. I'll solve them one by one. Guys, can someone confirm if I'm clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm getting started. One minute.
Okay.
So evaluate integral of 0 to 1 tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. So what we can do is, we can take tan inverse x as t, because I know when I put x is equal to 1, sorry guys, had a power cut. Could you guys see? So we will evaluate the integrals in the exercise 1 to 8 using substitution method. So the first question is integral of x divided by x square plus 1. So in solving integrals is to eliminate denominator. If I observe x square plus 1, if I differentiate it, I'm going to get a degree lesser than that. So what we will do is we'll put x square plus 1 is equal to t, which implies x is equal to dt. So x times x times dx, I can take it as d divided by 2. So when x is equal to 0, t will be equal to 1. And when x is equal to 1, t will be equal to 2. So integral of 1 to 2, x dx, I can write it as dt divided by 2 divided by. Now are you able to see? Dt divided by 2 into.
Sir, no, sir.
No, sir. Sure. Wait, I'll leave the meeting and come. Now are you able to see?
No, sir, the screen is black.
Now also.
Yes, sir.
What is happening? I had a
Now
power
visible,
cut
sir.
here.
So now it is visible, sir.
Now you're able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll do one thing. I'll do it from the beginning. So the question is integral of 0 to 1 x divided by x square plus 1. So here the idea is eliminate denominator, and I'm able to understand that x square plus 1, if I take it as t, then the numerator derivative of x square plus 1 will become 2x dx, right? So you're getting. I have so much of technical issue. I don't know why. Visible now. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. So integral of 0 to 1 x divided by x square plus 1. If I take x square plus 1 as t, then the numerator becomes dt. So I will change the limits. When x is equal to 0, the lower limit, that implies t is equal to how much? So I'll put x square plus 1 is equal to t, which implies 2x dx is equal to dt. So x times dx will be equal to dt divided by 2. So when x is equal to 0, t will be equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, implies t is equal to 2. So x dx will be equal to dt divided by 2. 1 to 2 dt divided by 2 into this is t. So 1 by 2 into integral of dt divided by t is 1 to 2. This will give me half of ln t, where this ln So did you understand the steps? Done?
Yes.
Can someone give me a confirmation, please? Okay. So the next question is integral of 0 to pi by 2, root of sine phi into cos phi, cos power phi times phi d phi. So what we can do here is, since sine phi is inside the square root, it is advisable to take sine phi as t. Then this will give us cos phi into d phi as dt. Okay. When phi is equal to 0, t will be 0. When phi is equal to pi by 2, t will be equal to 1. So integral of 0 to 1 root t into cos power phi, I can write it as cos power 4 phi into cos phi d phi. So cos phi d phi I can take it as dt. So integral of 0 to 1 root t into this cos power 4 phi I can write it as cos square phi the whole square dt. This will be integral of 0 to 1. If you observe, I've changed the limits from 0 to pi by t to 0 to 1, because 0 to pi by 2 is with respect to phi and 0 to 1 is with respect to t. So 0 to 1 root t into cos square phi is 1 minus sine square phi the whole square times dt. So I can write it as integral of 0 to 1 root t into 1 minus t square the whole square times dt. This will be integral of 0 to 1 root t into 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square dt. So integral of 0 to 1 root t dt plus t power 4 plus half is going to give us 9 by 2 dt plus 2 into t power 5 by 2 dt. So you'll get the answer as 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 between 0 to 1 plus
So I think it will be minus 2t%.
so it will be 2 by 9 times t power 9 by 2 by 11 times t power 11 by 2 minus 4 by 7 into t power 7 by 2. All these things are varying between 0 to 1. So if you substitute the limit 2 by 3 into 1 plus 2 by 11 into 1 minus 4 by 7 into 1. This is going to give us 2 by 3 plus 2 by 11 minus 4 by 7. So the LCM itself is going to be 77 plus 3, 77 into 3 is 21 to 243. 154 plus 42 minus 33 into this is 142. Okay. So whatever is the answer, write it down. Guys, keep trying the next problem. I'll be back. Yeah. So integral of 0 to 1, sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Right. So we will put 2x divided by 1 plus x. So I can put x is equal to tan theta because 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is sine 2 theta. So I can take this as tan theta is equal to t, which implies secant square theta d theta is equal to dt. Integral of when theta is equal to, sorry. I can put x is equal to tan theta, which implies dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. So when you put x is equal to 1, implies tan theta is equal to by 4. X is equal to 0, you get this is tan theta, which implies theta is equal to 0. So integral of when x is 0, theta is also 0 to pi by 4, sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta into, in the place of secant x, I can write it as secant square theta d theta. So sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, what is it, guys? 0 to pi by 4 sine inverse of sine 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. So this will give us 2 theta into secant square theta d theta between 0 to pi by 4. So if you take 2 outside, it becomes theta secant square theta d theta between 0 to pi by 4. So 2 into algebraic into trigonometric. So algebraic is first, trigonometric is second. So first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function, this thing, between 0 to pi by 4. So 2 into theta tan theta minus integral of tan theta is going to give you log of how much value?
Log secant theta, sir.
Plus log of cos theta between 0 to pi by 4. So 2 times, substitute the limits. Pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 is 1, plus log of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Minus, this will become a 0 when you substitute it, and this will become a 0 when you substitute it, because cos 0 is going to give you 1, log of 1 is going to be a 0. So answer will be pi by 2 plus log of 1 by root 2. Okay. Next is integral of 0 to 2 x into root of x plus 2. So what we can do is, they have given the hint, x plus 2 I can take it as t square. The logic is very simple, because when you take x plus 2 as t, again you're going to have a root t, which is going to be a headache. Instead, you take it as t square. What will happen is, you can eliminate that square root. So which implies dx is equal to 2t dt. Integral of, when x is 0, t is root 2. When x is 2, t is 2. Then x into root of x plus 2. X will be t square minus 2 into root of x plus 2 is t times, in the place of dx, I can write it as 2t dt. So try to understand. In the place of x, I wrote it as t square minus 2. In the place of root of x plus 2, I wrote it as t. In the place of dx, I wrote it as 2t dt. So 2, if I take out, root 2 into 2 into t power 4 dt minus 2t square dt. So 2 into, this will become t power 5 by 5 between root 2 to 2 minus 2 into t cube by 3 between root 2 to 2. So 2 into 2 power 5 divided by 5 minus root 2 power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 into 2 power 3 divided by 3 minus root 2 power 3 divided by 3. Right. So next problem is integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x. Let's try putting cos x is equal to t, which implies minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So when x is equal to 0, what will happen is t will be 1. When x is equal to pi by 2, t will be 0. So minus sin x dx is dt. So dt divided by 1 plus t square. So minus dt divided by 1 plus t square. So this will become integral of 1 to 0, or I can directly do it like this, minus dt divided by 1 plus t square. So integral of 1 by 1 plus t square is nothing but tan inverse of t between 1 to 0. So minus of tan inverse of 0 minus tan inverse of 1. So minus of 0 minus pi by 4, which is going to give us a pi by 4. This is a final answer. Okay. So integral of 0 to 2 dx divided by x plus 4 minus x square. So this problem actually doesn't need any substitution. Is this the one given in textbook? Can someone check and tell me?
Yes, sir.
This doesn't need any substitution. You can directly go with this thing. Integral of 0 to 2 dx divided by, I'll take the minus sign outside. It will be x square minus x minus 4. So minus of integral of 0 to 2 dx divided by, this becomes x minus half the whole square minus 4 minus 1 by 4. Right? So minus of integral of 0 to 2 dx divided by x minus half the whole square minus 17 by 4. Right? So minus of integral of 0 to 2 dx divided by x minus half the whole square minus root 17 by 2 the whole square. So 1 by x square minus a square. What is the answer? 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by 2a. Check the answer and tell me, guys. 1 by x square minus a square. Are you guys there or not?
So the answer given book back is 1 by root 17 log of 21 plus 5 root 17 by 4.
By root 17? No. I'm not asking about the answer. I'm asking you what is the formula for 1 by x square minus a square?
1 by 2a into log of x
This
minus
1
a
by
by
2a.
x. Into.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
1 by 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a. So 1 by 2 into a is root 17 by 2 log of x minus a by x plus a between what values? 0 to
0
2.
and 2.
2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus 1 by, sorry, so this is what happens. This is the answer given. Minus 1 divided by root 7. Guys, I lost the connection again. Oh, it is 3 minus root 17 divided by 3 plus root 17 minus log of 1 plus root 17 by root 17 minus 1. Is this the answer given?
I think to simplify the log part, sir. This log of 21
The
plus
thing is you have
5
to
root
divide both and
17 by
multiply.
4.
Is this the thing?
Yes, sir, divided by 4.
Hmm? Okay. Only
Divided
thing
by
is you
4.
need to, yeah, that's there. So you need to just divide both. Log of 3 minus root 17 divided by 3 plus root 17 divided by 1 plus root 17 divided by root of 17 minus 1. So when you try to solve this, you're going to get the answer. Okay. So this one is also similar. You need to do completing the square method. So this one, if you see, integral of 1 to 2 e power 2x into 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square dx. So how to solve this? 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square dx. We know this,
Inside
right?
of
E
bracket
power
is
x
already f of
into,
x minus f dash of x is there inside.
which is f of x. You mean to say 1 by x is f
sir.
of x?
Yes, sir.
If 1 by x is f of x, minus 1 by x square should have been f dash of x. But you have a 2 here. How are you going to deal with this? And moreover, here it is not e power x, it is e power 2x. So what we can do is you can put 2x as t, which implies 2 dx is equal to dt. So when x is equal to 1, t will be equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, t will be equal to 4. So integral of 2 to 4 e power t into 1 divided by x is t by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into x square is t square by 4. This will cancel it 2 times dt. So integral of 2 to 4, the 2 will come out e power t into 1 by t minus 1 by t square dt. Now it makes sense. Now will you be able to answer? So 2
Yes, sir, we
into
can.
this becomes e power t into 1 by t between 2 to 4. So substitute the limit 2 into e power 4 divided by 4 minus e power 2 divided by 2 plus 0. Okay. We'll do one last problem. Two more problems are there. Yeah. The value of the integral of 1 by 3 to 1 x minus x cube power 1 by 3 divided by x power 4. So what can we do? So here x minus x cube. So if I put x power 4 as t, is it going to work? No. So what can we do here, guys? Any idea? So
So is it possible to take x power 1 by 3 and then minus x into itself and then separate the terms?
you want to take this x outside?
Yes, so multiply with the 1 by 3 power outside.
So x power 1 by 3 into 1 minus, how much will you be left out with inside?
No, so what I'm saying is you can just take the cube root directly for the numerator.
Okay, but what will you do with the cube root? So you will take that whole thing as t. Is that what you're trying to say?
No, sir, what I thought.
Rohan,
No,
tell me.
it won't come.
Tell me. It won't
I
come
thought
now.
we can just take x into 1 x raised to the power 1 by 3 and then minus x power 3 into 1 by 3 and then expand.
No, you cannot do that. No.
Yes,
Cannot
sir,
do
that's right.
Can we think of some trigonometric function? So what we can do is, like how you told, if I take that x power 1 by 3 outside, I'll be left out with 1 minus x power x cube divided by x power 1 by 3. So x power 3 minus 1 by 3. So it will be x power 8 by 3, the whole power 1 by 3 divided by x power 4. X power 8 by 3, I can write it as x square the whole power 4 by 3. So 1 minus x square the whole power 4 by 3 divided by x power 11 by 3 is what I can write. We'll do one thing. We'll substitute a trigonometric function and see. So we will put x is equal to sine theta. Okay. When you put x is equal to sine theta, you will get dx is equal to cos theta d theta. So when x is equal to 1 by 3, then it will become sine inverse of 1 by 3 to sine inverse 1, that is going to be pi by 2, into sine theta minus sine cube theta divided by sine power 4 theta, and you have 1 by 3 here. In the place of dx, I can write it as cos theta d theta. So if you observe, integral of sine inverse of 1 by 3, here you have pi by 2. If I take sine theta outside, 1 minus sine square theta here, sine power 4 theta, and here you have 1 by 3 into cos theta d theta. So 1 minus cos square theta can be written as, 1 minus sine square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta can be written as cos square theta, and this whole power 1 by 3 divided by sine power 4 theta into cos theta d theta. It's going in a complicated way. So this will be integral of sine inverse of 1 by 3 to pi by 2. Sine power, I can write this as sine theta to the whole power 1 by 3 into cos power 2 by 3 into cos theta is how much? Cos power 5 by 3 theta d theta divided by sine power 4 theta. Now this will get converted to so I have sine theta, cos theta. Had they been of same power, I would have multiplied and divided with 2. So this is sine power 4 theta into sine theta the whole power 1 by 3 into, I can write it as cos power 5 by 3 theta divided by, this can I write it as sine power 5 by 3 theta into, how much will be left out? 4 minus 5 by 3 is but it should not be this complicated. Into what is that we are left out with? We are left out with sine power 7 by 3 sine theta. Right. So this can I combine and write it as cot power 5 by 3 sine theta.
Yes.
This I can write it as integral of sine inverse of 1 by 3 to pi by 2 cot power 5 by 3 theta into sine power 1 by 3 theta into sine power 7 by 3 theta is going to give you sine square theta in the denominator.
Yes, we can put a
This will
cos
be
square
integral
theta.
of,
Cosecant square theta we can put.
it will become cot power 5 by 3 theta into cosecant square theta d theta. Now, if you take cot theta as t again, cot theta, if you take it as t again, then you will get minus cosecant square theta d theta as dt. Integral of, see, when theta is equal to sine inverse of 1 by 3, when you take and substitute it here, what will be the value of t? Can you find out and tell me what is cot of sine inverse 1 by 3? Sine inverse 1 by 3 means this is 1, this is 3. So this will be root 8. So cot will be equal to root 8 divided by 1. So this will become root 8. And pi by 2, when theta is equal to pi by 2, cot pi by 2 is 0 with t power 5 by 3 into minus dt. So this will be equal to minus of integral of root 8 to 0 t power 5 by 3 dt. So what will we get? Minus of 3 by 8 into t power 8 by 3 between root 8 to 0 become 0 plus 3 by 8 into root 8 to the power of 8 by 3. So this will be the answer. Can you check and tell me what the answer?
So could you explain why it became plus at the end?
Why?
It became plus at the end. It's minus 3 by 8. Right?
If we here, when you substitute upper limit, this is 0. Minus of this minus will
Okay,
become
so I
plus.
didn't. Yes, I understood now.
Yeah, 3 by 2 into 2 power 8. சரியா? So 3 by 8 is 2 power 3 into 2 power 4. This will cancel this. So 3 into 32. 32, 3 is the answer. 32 times 3 is the answer. So 3 by 8 into root 8, I can write it as 2 power 3 power half power 8 by 3. This will cancel 4 times into 2 power 4. So 3 by 8 into 2 power 4. This will cancel this 2 times 6. Is there an option like that?
Yes, sir. First option.
Yes, sir.
The brain is not working actually. Six is the answer. So 10th one alone we'll do and we'll finish it off. So for 10th one, what you can do is first find out the integral and then differentiate it. So f of x is equal to integral of t sin t. First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function dt. So between 0 to x minus t cos t plus sin t between 0 to x. So when you substitute the limit, you will get minus x cos x plus sin x. Now differentiate this. This is f of x. So f dash of x will be equal to minus x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of minus x is minus 1 plus cos x. So cos x and this will get cancelled. X sin x is the answer and this will be the answer. Okay. I hope it is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's it from my side. There are no doubts, we can wind up. Then can we wind up?
Done.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Log off.